Dennis versus Team Mark. Second game.
Mark! Mark! Mauna ka! Go, AJ!
Okay, jumble for Team Mark and Team Dennis. Second game for tonight on the Lopez Village Owners Association. Okay, jumble. 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 Good. Isa pa.
Pumabog sa bola.
Violation kagad.
Dapat pababa yung ball.
Violation kagad.
Dito araw na.
Oo. First ball possession natin para sa Team Mark. Jersey number 25, paasa. Jersey number 73, hinaharas. On the left side wing. Taking is a big man. Jersey number 25, paasa on the right side wing. Transition, a pull up. Off the ring, defensive rebound for Team Mark. Team Dennis. Jersey number 15, paasa. On the left right side wing. Connects 2 points. First blood. Pass break na kaagad. Atake ang uno sa baseline. Reverse layup. Connects 2 points. Pass break. Jersey number 20. Sa 3-2 official score. 1 point lead for Team So. On the left side wing transition. In for 3. Connects 3 points. Back to back 3 points for Team Dennis. Jersey number 25. On the right side wing. Switch back on top of the key. Penetrate. Switch back on the left side wing. Off the ring. Tinapik ang bola. Outbound. A loose ball. Turnover for Team Dennis. Jersey number 15. Pasa. On the right side wing. Penetrate ang 15. Pasa. On the left side wing. Off the ring. Defensive rebound. White team. Team Mark. Jersey number 73. Pasa sa 12. And traveling by violation. Turnover. Sideline throw in for Team Dennis. And jersey number 15 dribbling the ball. Scouting the floor. Pasa on the left side wing. Aim for 3. Off the ring. A little bit short. Back out yan for Team Mark. Atake ang uno all the way. Dinrap pa sa baseline. Teardrop. Bounce in. Connects 2 points. 4-6. Okay. On top of the key. Off the ring. Outbound. Number 25 receiving the ball for Team Mark. Scouting the floor. Pass on the left side wing. Penetrate. A pull up. Basket. 2 points. First deadlock. All 6. Discarded Team Dennis. Jersey number 20. Balang bola for Team Dennis.
Dagat is back.
Pass on jersey number 15. On the left side wing. Off the ring. Defensive rebound. For Team Mark, atake ngayon, jersey number 1. A pull up, basket count, 2 points, and Team Mark grabs the lead. 2-point lead for Team Mark. Jersey number 15. Penetrate, passes the same. Kick out on the 3-point area. Good. intercepted. Bad pass din, intercepted dyan by jersey number 20. A pull-up, mid-range jump shot, no basket. Offensive rebound, follow-up shot, no basket. Another offensive rebound, and throws a foul. For second attempt, under the goal. Wow. Guarded ang free throw. Wala ang first throw. Second throw.
Minutuloy yung bola din.
Second throw. 1 out of 2. 7-8. 1-point lead for white team. Team Mark. Baba ng bola, jersey number 25. Inward pass sa stage. T-drop. Bounce in, connects 2 points. Pass break. Outbound. Deflected. Same ball possession. Jersey number 15. Inward pass at onset. Kick out on the 3-point area on the left side wing. Connects 3 points by jersey number 20. Another deadlock, 10 all. 6 minutes and 30 in this first period. Jersey number 25 is scouting the floor. Pasa sa uno. On the right side wing transition. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Defensive rebound. For Team Dennis, atake jersey number 20. Pasa. On the right side wing. Off the ring. Offensive rebound. Follow shot. Off the ring again. Pasa na yan. Atake kagad na uno all the way. Connects 2 points. 12-10. 2-point lead for Team Mark. Jersey number 16, scouting the floor, setting up the play for Team Dennis. Pasa sa low post, intercepted a bad pass. Atake, it's a 3-2 situation. Atake ang 12 na. Last touch pa. Ang block team. Nasa sa jersey number 25. Batay. Kick out, outbound. A loose ball, turnover. Sideline throw in for Team Dennis. And jersey number 15. Starting the floor, setting up the play. Pasa on the left side yung atake. And jersey number 20. A bad pass, intercepted yan. It's a 3-1 situation. Atake 12 all the way layup. Connects 2 points. Time out? Mandatory? Mandatory substitution. Discarded Team Dennis. Jersey number 0. Pasa on the right side, pitch back sa 0. On the left side, wing transition, aim for 3. Connects 3 points. With jersey number 20. Gunners on the 3-point area for Team Dennis. Pasa on the right side wing. Aim for 3. Air ball, outbound. Turnover for Team Dennis. Manang bola, jersey number 0. Switch back sa 0. Inward pass. Catch and shoot, no basket. Defensive rebound for Team Mark. Okay, jersey number 6. All the way coast to coast. And blocking foul by jersey number and draws a foul from jersey number 9. Inward pass, turnaround shot, connects 2 points. 16-13, 3-point lead for Team Mark. Pasa on the right side wing. Switch back to zero on the left side wing. Penetrate ang zero, engaging. Inward pa sa 9. All the way to the hoop and draws a foul. From jersey number 13. First throw. Basket count. Second throw. It's a 2 for 2. Free throw area, 15-16. Starting ngayon. On the left side wing, aim for 3. Off the ring, a little bit short. Scrambling for the ball. Bounce up down for Team Dennis. Pasa sa zero. Penetrate all the way. Layup. Connects 2 points. And Team Dennis grabs the lead. Change favor. 17-16 official score. 1 point lead for Team Dennis. Atake sa east for Team Mark. Being hustled. Inward pass. Shot clock counting down. Penetrate ang 13. And draws a foul from jersey number 2. Shot clock reset to 14. On top of the key. Off the ring, aim for 3. Offensive rebound ng 13. Sa ilalim na ipit. Perimeter shot. Basket by jersey number 13. 1 point lead for Team Mark. So on the right side wing. Short. Box out jump for Team. Pasa agad. On connects 2 points by jersey number 22. 20-17. Okay, jersey number 0. Pasa. Lopos. Penetrate sa baseline. Inaras. Tumama sa pa. Tumama lang sa paa yun, hindi naman kickball yun. Pasa sa 20. Shot lock down to 10. Steal. Breakaway yan sa east. All the way layup. Connects 2 points. Pass break sa jersey number 0 Reyes. Pasa on the right side wing. In for 3. Connects 3 points. 20-22. 2-point lead for Team Mark. Jersey number 6. Orchestrating the play. Pasas. 13. Engaging. Shot lock. Counting down. Inward pass. Deflected. Shot lock. Winding down. Aim for 3. Connects 3 points. A minute. Pare ang 20. Penetrate all the way and draws a foul from jersey number. Rep.
Push foul. Push foul. May push foul.
Rep.
May push foul.
Jersey number 27. Okay, jersey number 20. Kasi jersey number 2. Shot lock down to 12. Pinasa sa low post. Turnaround shot. No basket. Fade away. A minute and 35. Atake ngayon white team. Oh, foul. Jersey number 20. Jersey number 20. A minute and 31. Pinasa deflected. Ang inbound steal for Team Dennis at aking sila kasa sa 20. Aim for 3. Short. Out jump for Team Mark. Atake 13. Penetrate. A pull up on the side. No basket. Backs out for Team Dennis. Discarded jersey number 0. Passes sa Bente. Drive through layup. Connects 2 points. 22-25. A minute and 2 in this first period. Jersey number 6 orchestrating the play. Calling for an isolation. Shot clock counting down. Teardrop. No basket. Defensive rebound. Team Dennis. Hinaras. All the way. Break through. No basket. Akin na yun. O sa low post. Deflected. Outbound. Atake 27. Uy! Nagaling ka sa labas. Hindi ka pa naka-establish. Turnover for Team Dennis. Team Dennis, 35 seconds in this first period. Sados, perimeter shot, off the ring, defensive rebound. For Team Mark, atake at 3-2 situation, all the way, coast to coast. The next 2-point yan for Team Mark. 27-22, atake jersey number 0. Pasa on the right side wing, aim for 3, off the ring, defensive rebound. Dying seconds in this first period, 10 seconds. Atake 13, penetrate. Ooh, traveling violation, turnover. Dying seconds in this first period. On top of the key. Aim for 3, no basket. End of the first period.
First throw. Basket. Ano to? Chicken karate.
Back to the ball game, second period. Next out of possession for Team Mark. Next out of possession for Team Mark. Second period. Jersey number 15 receiving the ball. For Team Dennis. Atake 33, switch back. 15. Aim for 3, off the ring. Defensive rebound for Team Mark by jersey number 12. Baba ng bola, jersey number 1. Gorowa, as jersey number 25. Scouting the floor. Pass at 73, inward pass. Shot clock counting down. Atake 73, sidestep move and basket count. Plus a foul from jersey number 15. Bonus shot. Bonus shot. And one play for Team Mark. 30-22. Number 15. Setting up the play for Team Dennis. On the right side wing. Aim for 3. Nothing but glass. Okay na Team Mark. Jersey number 1. Penetrate all the way and sa baba and draws a foul from jersey number 33. Sideline throw in. Okay, jersey number 25. Pass on the left side wings. Cross court pass on the right side wing. Penetrate 73, pasa sa low post. Hinaras. Almost a steal. Under the goal. Connects 2 points by jersey number 12. 32-22. Okay, 11. Penetrate ang 15. A pull up. Mid-range jump shot. Connects 2 points by jersey number 15. Okay, ngayon, jersey number 25, pasa sa uno, on the right side wing, aim for 2 of the ring. A defensive rebound for Team Jennings. Atake D6 on the left side wing of the ring. Tinapik ang bola, nakuha ni D6, inward pass, sa low post, hook shot, no basket. Same ball possession. Last touch pa rin. White team. Shot clock 14. Shot clock 14. Asa sa 11. Switch back on the left side wing for 3. No basket. Tinapik ang bola. 73 for white team. Atake ang uno. All the way layup and basket count. Nasa foul. Jersey number 33.
Basket.
Ano score mo dyan? 35-34. Bonus shot, basket. 35-24. 11-point lead for Team Mark. Bakit Team Dennis? Asa sa 33, inward pass. Atake sa low post. No basket. Defensive rebound. Atake uno. All the way. Connects 2 points. Dahil ngayon, Team Dennis, jersey now 15. Pasa sa stage, penetrate. Impit na sa dalawa, pasa sa 33. Shot clock, counting down. Atake ulit 16, engaging. And draw sa foul.
Dapat dalawa pa tayo mo.
73.
Oh. Dalawa.
Guarded free throw.
Tignan tayo may time na dalawa.
Basket.
Bunch, may timeout ka na. Gamitin nyo na.
Hindi na daw kailangan.
May abang.
2 for 2. 26-37. 11-point lead for white team. Inward pass. Atake ang 12 sa baseline. Naipit. Hinaharas. Ball possession. Touch ang block. Shot clock 7. Shot clock counting down. Steal. Breakaway kagad ang dito sa east. Layup. Connects 2 points.
Timeout daw, timeout. Timeout.
Time out. White team, Team Mark. Way back to the ball game. Bala sa single digit ang lamang ng Team Mark. Jersey number 25, pasa sa uno. Transition on the right side wing. Takay 68. Aim for 3. nothing but glass. Backs out yan for Team Dennis. Atake 15. Inaharas at pakambol. Steal. Atake ngayon 12 for Team Mark. Hinaharas ang 12. Pasa sa 1. Inward pass sa 68. Nakita sa low post yung 12. Connects 2 points. Power move under the goal. Jersey number 12. Nasa on the left side here. Nothing but glass. Backs out yan for white team. Atake 12. All the way coast to coast. Connects 2 points. Pass break na yan sa 9. Drive through layup. No basket. Defensive rebound. Pasa na yan. Jersey number 33. Atake 16. Penetrate east sa east. And throw sa foul. From jersey number 12.
May kasapang yung Mark Kelly.
Sideline throwing. Atake ang 9. Pasa on the corner side. Off the ring. Backs out yan for foul. 33.
Warning for penalty.
Sideline throwing. And jersey number 25. Receiving the ball. Scouting the floor. Pasa sa 1. Aim for 3. Connects 3 points. Discarding ngayon ng black team. Pasa. Penetrate. Pass. Connects 2 points. Mandatory substitution. Minutes. And this Spurs up. Aim for 3 off the ring. Defensive rebound for Team Dennis. Pass break sa 16. Drive through all the way. No basket. Defensive rebound for Team Mark. Atake 13. Sa baseline. Naipit. Pasa sa 34. Kick out on the 3-point area. Ang pasa. Inward pass sa 13. Shot clock counting down. Aim for 3. Oh, basket. Defensive rebound. Inward pass. Layup. Sa boss. Connects 2 points. 32-44. 4 minutes and 10. Hindi Spurs up. Atake sa east. Penetrate. No basket. Tinapik ang bola. Pass break. Break away yan dito sa east. All the way to the hoop. Connects 2 points. Easy basket. 3 minutes and 50. Kick out as 3-point area on top of the key. Connects 3 points. 7-34. Zero. Inward pass. Pass and shoot. No basket. A pull up. Pass break na yan sa 12. Ooh, steal. Almost a steal. All the way to the hoop. No basket. Another attempt. Connects 2 points. Power move under the goal. Starting ngayon. Steve Davis. Pasa sa dos. A pull up. Shoot! Another attempt. Basket na yan. Connects 2 points. Ngayon, white team, jersey number 6, scouting to Puasa sa dos, 22. Naku, nakita ang 34 yon. Connects 2 points. 51. Basket din yan. 38-51. Jersey number 13, hinaharas. Nakapenetrate. Layup. Basket. 2 points. Crossover move ng 20. Connects 2 points. Two minutes in the Spurs up. Next ay shot lock down to 10. On the left side wing, aatake 13. Atake sa baseline. Pinasa, intercepted a bad pass. Breakaway kagad ang Bisayis. Connects 2 points. Time out.
I'm out. Right. Again.
Back to the ball game.
Hindi pa makamulog.
Diskarte ulit ang team mark. Binalik sa 22. Cross-court pass on the left side. Atake sa baseline ng 13 sa big man. Ooh, outbound. Loose ball. Turnover. For Team Dennis.
Eh, yung mahirap sa atin. Mandatory. Lalamig ka. Mandatory.
Sabi ngayon. Shot clock. Down to 14 on the side. No basket. Defensive rebound. Steal ng 20. Nakita sa low position. Pumik. Binaksak sa 0. Outbound. Turnover. Loose ball.
Bawal kumain. Bawal lumipak niya.
Yung 13 for Team Mark. At ooh! Tumawag yun. Asa Sunshine. Penetrate ang Sunshine. A pull up. Basket. 50 seconds in this first half. Atake sa East. Pasa sa 13. Aim for 3. Short. Box out pa rin yan for defensive rebound pa rin yan for Team Marks. Shot lock down to 9. Short again. Another attempt sa ilalim ng 13. Connects 2 points. Atake 20. Naka-crossover move layup and throws a foul. And jersey number 13.
Going back.
30 seconds.
Rebound si Daga.
Basket. Second throw. 30 seconds in this first up.
The bones tayo?
No conversion at the free throw area. 44-55. Okay, 22. Shot lock down to 14. Switch back sa 13. Shot clock counting down. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Defensive rebound. Dying seconds sa kaya. Asa? Loose ball! Outbound. Turnover. 4.9 seconds. End of the first half. End of the first half. Halftime break.
Kailangan ko maglaro. Ikaw nga, malaro. 5 minutes. Go, ini.
Alam mo talaga, nagbira mo naman buhay kong kumiti. Saka nga may dito. Akala mo nagbira buhay. Ito po. Ayaw, alam mo ba? Ito, di ba sana panalo? Biget, protein. Protein free. Ano yung rebound kasi yan? Talo ko din yung third doon.
Nag-out ka na eh.
Saan laki? Pero saan bigas mo? Kahit yung tapik mo. Mga tapik mo. Mayari ka rin. Sino wala ko?
Sablay mo pag
Sa pasa na ako.
Birthday ni Papa ko, gusto makita out na bata.
Pagod na si Dagaw. Game na ref.
Okay, back to the ball game. Second half. Third period. White.
Manggitin mo kayo siya. Pagod mag-coach.
Second half, third period. Receiving the ball for switch back sa 73. Inward pass sa big man. Turnaround shot, no basket. Defensive rebound for Team Dennis. Atake ulit ang turnover yan for Team Dennis. Jersey number 73 on the right side wing. Short. Layup. Basket.
Anim lang ko.
Team 7-4-4. Starting ngayon. Pasa. On the right side wing. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Defensive rebound for Team Mark by jersey number 6. Akin sa Espasa 70. Aim for 3. Short. Box out yan for jersey number 15. All the way ang 15. Layup and draws a foul. From jersey number 73. First throw, basket count. Second throw. It's a 1 out of 2. In the free throw area. Jersey number 6 is starting 4 passes at 73. Orchestrating the play. Asa sa uno. On the left side, we connect 3 points. Jersey number 15. Is low post pass sa 9, picks and pop, connects 2 points.
Yung pangalawa, sumpal sana kasi dumikit yung katawan natin. Pero ang katawan,
Jersey number 73.
kamay mo, hindi lang
Nabanang bola for Team Mark. Orchestrating the play, scouting the floor, pasa sa uno. Inward pass of Gilman, atake sa baseline. Kick out on the 3-point area. Pasa sa uno, atake sa baseline. Connects 2 points. Naraskada ng 9. All the way ang 9 and blocking foul. Jersey number 12.
Out na ba siya? 13. Ay, 20. Ano na daw siya? Dalawa lang. Sabka?
6. Penetrate, shaded area. All the way to the hoop. No basket. Tinapik ang bola. Nakakuha ng 12 for Team Mark. Pass agad sa uno yan. A pull up mid-range jump shot. No basket. Defensive rebound. Atake ngayon ng 9. Crossover muna. Fumble pa yon. No basket. Defensive rebound. Team Mark. Asa on the left side. Connects 3 points. Jersey number 15. Scouting the floor for setting up the play for Team Dennis. Inward pass, cuts and shoot. Connects 2 points. A pull up. Jersey number 2. Number 73. On the right side, connects 3 points. Last break na yan. Atake ngayon, Team Dennis. Atake sa baseline. Pumake. Sheer drop basket. 51-68. On the right side, transition. Cross-court pass on the left side, aim for 3. Connects 3 points. Atake ngayon. Ang black team all the way layup. Wala! Defensive rebound for Team Mark. Atake sa East. Tasa sa SS. Switch back. Throw on the side of the ring. Defensive rebound for Team Dennis. Atake 15. Penetrate. All the way. Connects 2 points. 53-71.
Wala pang tumatay mo. 2-0 ako dito eh. Kasi nung naglaro ko,
5 minutes and 45. Nasakita sa low position. Sa backdoor, connect 2 points. Jersey number 12.
ako naglaro dito lang yan. Puta, medyo malakas ko malakas.
Shot lock down to 14. Asa on the side. Shot clock counting down. Inward pass. Ados. Turnaround shot. Connects 2 points. Five minutes and 10 in this third period. Kita na naman sa low position. Intercepted niya. Intercepted niya. Steal. Aim for 3. Connects 3 points. Atake yung 20 and draws a foul. Blocking by jersey number 6. Substitution. Sideline throw in for Team Dennis. Ooh, deflected. Almost a steal. Outbound.
Kaya nga di ba okay sa akin? Kaya nga di ba
And then switch back sa 20. On the corner side. Atake 15. Naipit. Pasa sa lopo. Shot lock. Counting down. A pull up. Basket. 2 points. 57-76. On the right side wing, atake. Cross-court pass on the left side wing, atake 13. Penetrate the shaded area. Shoot! Atake ngayon ng 20. Heel drop, no basket, tinapit pa rin. Backs out yan for white team. On the right side wing, short, aim for 3. Backs out for Team Dennis, pasa sa 20 and draws a foul
Tatlo na yun, tatlo.
by jersey number 13.
warning for penalty. Tapos may chemistry na tayo eh.
Pasa, deflected. Saan hindi makita sir eh? 30 ata. 30. Pasa sa zero, penetrate. Ritaan dos. Hinaras, steal. Pass break sa init. Setting up the play for Team Mark. 3 minutes and 40. Shot lock down to 10. On the side. The next 2 points. Atake 20. Crossover move. A pull up. Basket. Three minutes and 20. Paasa sa 25. On the left side wing. On the corner side. Basket count. 3 points. 3 minutes in this third period. Inward pass intercepted. Bad pass. Pass break sa init. Aim for 3. Connects 3 points. Timeout. Block team.
Wala na, ulit na dumating siya. Ay, medyo lalapit.
Si Elijah, 19.
Pagpunta kayo eh. Sinandap siya na lang talaga yung gagawa natin.
19 sila na. Ganado ng ito.
Coach! Nice coach, Ansay! Coach Ansay! Nice coach, Ansay!
Iba kasi may ano na kayo, may taxar na kayo.
Okay, back to the ball game. Block, block. Switch back sa 15 ang pasa. Jersey number 9, 0. On the left side wing, off the ring, aim for 3. Defensive rebound for white team. Outbound, a loose ball, turnover. Sa agad sa dos. Binak sa dos na naman, a pull up. Shoot! Offensive rebound ng 15. Pasa, intercepted. Steal. Akin sa east. Pasa sa 25. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Defensive rebound. For black team. Atake 20. Pasa. 0. Sa low post, nakita ang 20. Atake. Connects 2 points. Jersey number 25, pasa sa 1. Reach back sa 25, shot lock. Down to 10. A pull up, mid-range jump shot, no basket. Defensive rebound for Black Team. Atake jersey number 0, Reyes. Pasa sa 2, hinaras, Akitas. Kick out on top of the key, connects 3 points. Ano to, nawala? Sir, pakayaan nga, sir. Sa 25, inward pass. Sa baseline. No basket. Defensive rebound. For Black Team, atake 20. Hinaharas. Pasa sa 42, nakita sa Lopos ang 0. Penetrate, ang 20. Connects to point. 50 seconds in this third period. Atake ngayon ang uno. Pasa. The left side wing. Off the ring. Defensive rebound for Black Team. Atake. 3-2 situation. Layup ang 20. Connects to points. 30 seconds. Atake na agad. O dinrokas lang sa 34. Connects to points on the side. Pass break. 0. Pull up. No basket. Wala pa. Follow-up shot. Offensive rebound. Binigay sa 20. In and out. Defensive rebound. 15 seconds. Dying seconds. Pasa sa 1. 10 seconds. Dying seconds. Pasa sa 1. Aim for 3. Off the ring. End of the third period.
Ikaw? Dalawa lang.
At least alam niya, di ba? Tatlo, babay na.
Okay, back to the ball game. Last 10 minutes. Last and final quarter.
Matinding bugahan na to.
Jersey number 16 receiving the ball for Team Dennis. Inward pass, catch and shoot. Off the ring. Offensive rebound. Ooh, hinaras. Almost a steal. Kick out. Atake ngayon. Sa East. No basket. And draws a foul under the goal. Awarded ang free throw. Basket. First throw. Second throw. Sa 2 for 2.
Ayun yung the best naman ng pasa.
Dalawa.
Meron ano,
Ngayon, Mark. Pasa sa 13.
pero pag spike,
Inward pass. Hey, denied.
Hanap mo, McDo eh.
pero masarap na rin yung KFC and hati crispy.
Shot clock down to 10. Shot clock down to 10. Ten seconds to shoot. Shot clock counting down. Turn around shot. Basket ng 34. Connects 2 points. Pass sa 15. A pull up. And foul. 34. A push. Basket. First row. Second row. It's a 2 for 2. Jersey number 22, pasa sa 13. Switch back sa 22. On the left side in transition. Shot clock counting down. 23-73. Para lang sa 13. Binalik. 12, shot clock. And offensive foul. Jersey number 12. Pass break na steal intercepted. Prese on top of the key. Off the ring, aim for 3. Atake ulit dos sa baseline. Pinasa, deflected. Shot clock 10. Shot clock counting down. Pull up. No basket. Defensive rebound. Pass break na yan. Binigay sa 20. Catch and shoot.
Hindi gago mo.
Okay, 22. A mid-range jumper. No basket. Defensive rebound. For Team Dennis E. Oh, bad pass. Intercepted ng 22. Kaya Betty, pasa sa 12. 2-on-2 situation. Reverse layup, no basket. Pass break sa 9. All the way layup, connects 2 points. Naharasan 73. Shot clock down to 10. Atake 12. And basket, 2 points. Atake naman ang black team, aim for 3. No basket, tinapik, nakuha ni 16. The pass sa 9. Denied. And draws a foul. Jersey number 13, yung may foul. Basket, first throw. Basket again, second throw. And white team on the right side wing. Inward pa sa 13, penetrate, a pull up, no basket, defensive rebound. Atake agad, pasa sa 6, aim for 3, off the ring, overshoot, tapik ang bola, nakakuha ng 12, pasa sa 6 for Team Mark. Connect with yun, bounce in, connects 2 points. Six minutes and 28 seconds in this final quarter on the left side wing. Pasa. Nakita sa Lopos, reverse layup, no basket. Pass break na sa 13. And goes sa foul. Sideline throwing. Para sa 12. Penetrate ang 73. Engaging. Pasa sa 12. On the right side wing. Off the ring. Aim for 3. Nakakuha pa rin niya. Bola. Bounce back sa kanya. Penetrate. Shoot. Pinakuha. Kaya 16. Tinasa sa low post. Deflected. Outbound.
Aray ko.
Same ball possession.
Pangatli. Dito, TV, TV. Yut, sayot yung bola.
Sideline throw in. Shot clock 17. Nakita sa low post yun. Pasa sa 15. Pull up. In and out. Offensive rebound. For white team. Takiyan sa east. Pasa. 13. Sab daw, sasab ha. Masasab daw ito. Inward pa sa 12. Nakita sa low post. Shot clock. Counting down. Steal. Intercepted yun. Takiyan ngayon. 16. Hinaharas. Ooh, steal. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Shot clock down to 10. Shot clock counting down. Sa baseline, no basket. Attacking jersey number 20. Aim for 3 off the ring. Defensive rebound for White. Taki sa east. Shot clock down to 10. Pasa lang yan. Posted pa sa 12. Penetrate. Ipit. Baseline. Denied. Pass break yan sa 16. Foul. Substitution, jersey number 6. Foul by jersey number 6. So jersey number 20. Pull up. Shot. Defensive rebound for White team. May jersey number 12. Atake agad. Breakaway ang 25. No basket ang layup. Another attempt ng 13. Wala. Tinapik sa sais. Penetrate. Shoot. Pass break sa 20. Pull up. Basket. 2 points. Minutes and 15. Uy, dribbling violation. Pasa agad, atake agad yung 20 doon. No basket, offensive rebound ng 9. Denied! Shot clock down to 17. Penetrate sa Bembete and draws a foul.
Ay, graduate.
Jersey number 12. Fouled out. 5 personal foul.
Lima na.
Apat na nga kanina pa.
Lipat na yan, lipat!
Basket.
Sayang yung performance ko dyan. Sayang yung replay niyo pa.
3 minutes and 3.
Sayang dyan. Sayang boy.
Anak ng puta.
Replay pa natin. Parehas yung manood.
1 out of 2. 3 minutes in this final quarter. Pasa, deflected, steal, pass break. Sa 20, outbound, a loose ball. Turnover. All the way layup, basket. Pass break sa 16, aim for 3. Air ball. Another aim for 3. Connects 3 points. 84-96. Uno.
4 points ka kanina eh.
Penetrate uno. And draw sa foul. Time out. Black team.
Bali, dalawa pa tayo mag ito. Kasi wala pang match 2 minutes.
Hindi yan matutuloy.
Ano yan, Jot?
Bagay ni Detect Coach. Anong iniisip mo?
Hey, black to the ball.
Sorry, kala ko nagsusundukan sa labas. Nagsabi, inahamon ko. Buti nakita ko ni ano, kasi nahamon ko, nakita ko ni yung ba yung
Wala ang first throw.
sabi na, boss, po-out kami ngayon.
Second throw.
Parang mga 140 na.
Second throw. One out of 2.
Ay, 140 na ako dumaan.
Started 6. Asa. Last 2 minutes. Layup. No basket. Tinapik. Kaya ang uno. Shot clock down to 14. Penetrate uno. Pasa sa 34. Apula. Off the ring. Tinapik. Pass break na yan for Black Team. Atake 20. Pinasa sa binalik. Catch and shoot. No basket. Pasa sa 20. Aim for 3. Air ball. Outbound. Turnover. A minute and 24 in this final quarter. Shot clock down to 14. Shot clock 10. Shot clock counting down. Atake sa east. And foul. Jersey number 2. short ang first throw. Second throw. Walang conversion. Uy, may foul. Penalty. Penalty situation ng White.
Nashoot yung pangalawa ka? Oo, nakaya ko nun ninyo, no? Ako, uwi sa game eh.
Yo.
Basket, first throw.
Turnover?
Time out. Time out.
Di ba? Ito Westbrook. Westbrook. Diba na, nagpinisan tayo eh. Nagpinisan tayo. Bakit ako nagpinisan? Bakit ako B2B ngayon po? Ito yung saan? Ngayon, dapat pagkatapos na
Hey, back to the ball game. A minute and 4 in this final quarter. Almost a steal. Foul. Jersey number 20. Warning for penalty. Sideline throw-in. 1 minute. Atake 34. Asa sa 6. Foul. Penalty. Basket.
Walang foul, ha? Walang foul!
One out of 2. Two drop, no basket. Box out Campo White. 45 seconds. Wow.
Nandiyo, patagalin ba? Ang shoot! Ay, tulong mo yung
Count. Two for two.
game na hindi caution to, di ba? Sila Mark number 1.
A steal. All alone. Basket. Two points. Pass break. Steal. Aim for 3. Connect 3 points. Foul. 15. Wala, ang first throw, second throw. 1 out of 2. 25 seconds. Steal! Foul!
Sino foul?
Ayun. 16. Basket.
Pinatayo pa sa ano. Sarap na mo po eh.
Asa, deflected. Connects to points. Wow! Pull up.
Man, stress mo!
Nice game, nice game.
Stress mo!